first things first, we got to do the prep work. I hate prep work, and I bet you guys do too. But unfortunately for us, it's got to be done. Definitely do not want oak room. Day two, everything's looking pretty dry. Still got a bit to go. I want to start by painting from the top down, starting with the gutters. Before I get going, there's a bit of corrosion sort of along here. Give that a whack with the sander. Should get it off pretty easily. And once I'm done with that, I'll throw some masking up and we'll start getting some paint on these gutters. Should look pretty good when it's done. The gutters and the walls, I'm going to be using Dulux Weather Shield. Here's some dried up Weather Shield that I've got. You can see that it's like really flexible paint. So it's super UV resistant, super durable. It's almost rubbery. You see how it's like elastic? And the best part about that is when you paint it on your walls and stuff, especially bricks, this stuff isn't going to crack like your normal paints.